Mizoram General Knowledge Questions for Competitive Exam Part 2. Who is the first Chief Minister of Mizoram? Chhunga. How many times President's rule was imposed in Mizoram? 3 times. 1977, 1978 and 1988. How many Rajya Sabha seats do Mizoram have? 1. How many Lok Sabha seats do Mizoram have? 1. Who was the first governor of Mizoram after Mizoram got its statehood? Hiteswar Saikia. When was the first session of the Mizoram Legislative Assembly held? 1972. Who was the first Speaker of the Mizoram Legislative Assembly? Tuichawng. Who was the Speaker of the first State Assembly of Mizoram? Tuichawng. Who won the first assembly election in Mizoram? Mizo Union. When was the first state assembly election of Mizoram held? 1987. Who was the speaker of the first state assembly of Mizoram? Tuichawng. When was Mizoram Peace Accord signed? 1986. When was Mizo National Front founded? 1961. What is the border length of Mizoram with Myanmar and Bangladesh? 722 km. How many elected seats and nominated seats were in the first assembly of Mizoram? 30 elected seats and 3 nominated seats. What is the rank of Mizoram as per the smallest state of India? 5th. The smallest state is Goa. Goa, Sikkim, Tripura, Nagaland, Mizoram. Which latitude passes through Mizoram? Tropic of Cancer. Which is the highest mountain peak in Mizoram? Phongpui, Blue Mountain, 2157 meters. Which is the longest river in Mizoram? Tlawng, 185.15 kilometers. Which valley does Aizawl lie in? Tlawng Valley.